What's going on, everybody? John here with Hendrix Racing. So, working on a couple of these projects. The R6 is waiting a battery, so then we can hopefully get the fuel pump sorted out. Also, the Ducati. The Ducati's been an interesting little project. So we ordered a stator, we ordered a rectifier. That plug looks pretty bad. We took a multimeter and we tested the stator side, and as you can see, it's pretty gunked up. So I believe the stator is bad, or at least the connector is bad. So what we plan on doing is taking the stator out, replacing the stator, going to put in a new rectifier, so both stator and rectifier, and that should resolve all of our issues as far as the Ducati goes. R6 we're still working on. It's going to be like a training bike for us. Plus, if I've got any friends that want to come out and try track days, they're more than happy. We're more than welcome to use that. We got the R1 is still in the trailer. We're gonna start getting ramped up for little tally here in a couple weeks. Going to start mounting some more mounts on the R1 to get better camera footage. I'm filming you guys on a new GoPro, or at least new to me. It's a GoPro Hero 8 that I picked up. So yeah, that's just kind of an update with kind of what's going on in the garage. Ducati should be good to go next week or so. I've got a battery that came in, I believe, up at Roadshark in Fernandina Beach. So huge thanks to them for getting me that battery. I also took the battery out of the R6 and stuck it on one of their chargers to see if we could at least force it to hold a charge. We'll see how that goes. So we may end up having two batteries, but it'll be fun to fire this thing up and sort of hear what it sounds like. I've never heard this. It's a bike we picked up from Joe Murphy, our teammate. And yeah, got a couple more little projects coming. There might be a 750 that we'll be tinkering with to get it sort of ready for its first track day. It is currently a street bike, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, Ducati's almost sorted. R6 is going to start getting sorted, and we're still fighting with this Benelli. So yeah, ignore the R1 race fairings, but we're still fighting with this Benelli. So hopefully that'll get wrapped up at some point, so then we can start racing minis. But anyway, R6 is going to start getting worked on. Ducati's just about done. Going to start mounting some more mounts on the race bike so we can get some better footage. I learned a lot personally from the footage that I got from Roebling, so I'm pretty excited about that. Anyway, going to jump on my Yeesul bike, crank out some miles, burn off some calories, and yeah, can't wait to kind of fill you guys in as to what's going on, how all of this gets resolved, and just getting ready for Little Talladega. And then the last round is going to be in Road Atlanta. So if you guys are in the Atlanta area, definitely come see us. September, I think it's 5th and 6th. Come out and see us. We would love to hang out with everybody. You know, just show people who've never been to a track day or even a race event kind of what it's all about. Yeah, September 5th and 6th. Also, that is the weekend of my dad's birthday. So we'll probably celebrate his birthday there too. Hopefully we can wrap up this championship. Right now, I am currently second in the championship for the V8 heavyweight in 3 regions. So we're hoping we might be able to sneak away the first. Who knows? First place, who knows? If not, second place it is. Do more training during the off season, lose a little bit more of this weight, and hopefully fight for the championship in 2027. So anyway, huge thanks to everybody who's been behind us this year. Vo2 Leathers, what a huge help. Woolsey Morcom Law Group, they've helped us substantially this year. Roadshark Powersports, and of course White's Repair for working on all of our stuff whenever we break them bad. So yeah, just stay tuned. Give us a like, a subscribe, comment down below. what you guys might be thinking is going on with that Benelli. It just won't stay running for some reason. Next thing we're going to do is drain the gas, put fresh gas in it, see if that works. Anyway, comment below what you think's wrong with the Benelli. And yeah, can't wait to see everybody. So here is on to Little Talladega. Peace.